Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is Introduction to Data Structures. In this video we will see about data structures and its types. Data structures. First foremost why we need the data structure. Then how the data is stored. Data structure is not a language like C, C++, Java, Python like that. So we need the structure of data, how the structure of the information is stored by the set of algorithms. In this point, we need to know about ADT, abstract data types. Abstract data type is a rule for accessing the data structures like stack, queue, tree, and graph. In this point, we know about array and linked list also. What is data? Data means that raw facts about the information. The data is collected from the real-time entities. Also, the real-time values. The real-time values are accessible by the people. So each and every terms has a data. For example, here the data fruit name is mango. So many number of fruits are available. In this point, I take a mango. This is a simple example. Then the types of data based on the various categories like text, numeric numbers, audio, video, image, like that. Next, we move to what is data structure. Data structure, organizing the data. Any data structure organizing the data by storing the data in the specific structure. Data structure in the form of logical model or any mathematical model for organizing a data. Here, an array of integer numbers are grouped together in the single name. So, a group of data elements are grouped together under the single name. Next, we compare the data types and data structures. Data can be classified based on the data types as a primitive and non-primitive. Example, character, float, integer, boolean, pointer, etc. A data type is defined in the two ways. A domain of allowed values. The values are allowed by the domain. And a set of operations on this particular values. The compiler can be signaled for wrong operations performed on this primitive data types. For example, if we need to multiply, the two characters are not allowed, but the integer numbers can be allowed for any arithmetic operations like a plus b. Non-primitive types. Previous one is a primitive type. It is non-primitive type. Non-primitive type also called derived data values or structured data values. The structured data values like object, array, set, file. In this point we need to know about the structures, union, etc. For example, I take a student object. That particular student object can have three fields like name, age, and branch. Here, name is a set of characters and Branch also the set of characters CSE. But age is an integer number. The number is defined. Here, the 20 is mentioned as the main component part of that particular value as a age. Next, we move to types of data structures. Here, two types available. One is linear type, another one is non-linear types. Linear types are array, linked list, stack, and queue. Non-linear types are trees and graph. So we will see one by one. Array, linked list, queue, and stack. This is the structure representation of array, linked list, stack, and queue. This is tree and graph, the non-linear types of data structures. We will see in detailed information about the linear type and non-linear type of data structures in upcoming videos. Why we need the data structure? The main goal is to organize the data. We organize the data in the efficient manner as well as effective manner by the operations like storage of data, retrieval of data, and manipulation of data. The manipulation in the form of insertion, deletion, updation. There are so many number of operations begin the data structures of each data structures. Number 1, navigating. Number 2, searching. Number 3, insertion, deletion, etc. First one, navigation. So accessing the each data element exactly once so that certain items in the data may be processed. Second one is searching. We have to find the specific location of the data element by searching. Insertion. Just add the new data element into the data structure. Example, you can insert the data in the array or linked list or stack or queue. Next operation is the deletion, sorting, and merging. Here, deletion means that just remove the data element from the data structure. Just remove, destroy, or delete. Next one is sorting. You just arrange the data elements in the logical order. Logical order in the sense either ascending order or descending order. Next, merging. Just merge the data, two data structures, one or two. So you just merge two data structures into one. That's all, my dear friends. So this is just introduction about the data structures, type of data structures, and the basic operations begin the data structures, and why we need the data structures. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.